Hello, and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we'll be drawing Q from Alphabet Lore. We're going to start on the top left of the page. We're going to start with the big I. So from the bottom, we're going to do a little notch to start. And then from this point, we want to go up in a nice long curve. And then go back down to connect it to the bottom. And once you're done with this almost like a pear shape, we're going to draw a line across for the eyelid, and then a rectangle for the eyes. Once you're done with the eye, let's add in a circle for the highlight, and let's fill in the eye really quick. With your eye done, let's add in a cute little eyelash. Let's also fill this in. Once you're done with one eye, we're going to repeat the same eye across. Maybe a little bit further around here. Let's start off with the top. Go back down and connect it. Let's draw in the eyelid and the bottom of the eye. Once you're done with this step, let's add in a circle for the eye right around here and fill in the iris. We are missing the eyelash, so let's add that in really quick. That's looking really good. Once your eyes are done, let's draw in the rest of the body. Let's start off with the middle of the eye right around here and start with the top of the Q. And then continue all the way down to this point. We need a little bump. And finally, a little tail. Once you're done with this, we need the bottom of the body. It's just going to be a straight line all the way across. Stop around here. And continuing from this top line right here, we're going to connect all the way back down to the bottom of the body. And now we're just missing the center of our Q, the big circle. And this is actually going to be where the teeth is. So we're going to start from here, go all the way up, and back down. And for our teeth, we're just going to draw in some horizontal lines, around 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that should be the mouth. And once you're done with these shapes, let's just draw in some detail. It's just going to be 3 circles right here. 1, 2, 3. Once you're done with your Q drawing, let's add some color real quick. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.